Hello. Okay, right. If AD and PM, if AD and PM, if AD and PM, no, wait. Not this one. Okay, right. Sorry. Next, this is a question. Side AB and AC. Correct the question. Side AB and AC and median AD and median AD of a triangle ABC 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 are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR okay, and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Question again. Look at here. No, we didn't do Hania. You confused. Look. Sides. This is the last. Hello. Listen here. This is the last one we did. Are you sure? No, we didn't do it. Look at here. Read again. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle. Another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. We didn't do this question. Okay, we did another one. Listen, we did this question. Hey, listen all. Sides AB, BC, and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of a triangle PQR. This is the one we did, right? Sides AB and BC. Here what? Sides AB and AC. Correct or no? Right? Okay. This question, listen here. The side AB and AC, median AD. Okay, look at here now. Hello. Here, we need to figure here. Sides A, B, C, median AD. And here, P, Q, R. Okay, M. Okay, now listen here. It will. You don't write anything. Okay, listen here. Here, side AB and AC. Side AB and AC, median coming here. Okay, PQ and PR, median to QR. Okay, the previous question we gave another version also. That is what two sides and a median bisecting one of the side. Here is what? Two sides are given, median coming to which side? AB and AC already selected. Median coming to third side, right? Okay. So, like previous question, write this version also. If two sides and a median, write this one. Or if two sides and a median, if two sides and a median, if two sides and a median two sides and a median, two sides and a median, by setting the third side, by setting the third side, by setting the third side, two sides and a median, by setting the third side of a triangle, of a triangle, of a triangle, are respectively proportional, are respectively proportional, are respectively proportional, are respectively proportional to the corresponding sides, to the corresponding sides, to the corresponding sides, and the median of another triangle, and the median of another triangle, and the median of another triangle, median of another triangle. Prove that the two triangles are similar. 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 Okay, listen once again the question. Look, hello, listen here. If two sides and a median bisecting the third side, underline there. If two sides and a median bisecting the third side. The previous question is what? Same bisecting one of the side, correct or no? Previous question one bisecting one of the side. Here it is third side of a triangle are respectively proportional to the corresponding sides and a median of another triangle, and a median of another triangle. Prove that the two triangles are similar. Okay. Who all said that this question we did? Understood the difference? Hania. Maidele. Abhishek. Okay. The difference understood now. Listen here. Don't confuse it. This chance to confusion. Okay. Maybe in exams, instead of this one, you may write other one. Instead of first question, you may write this one. Okay. So read carefully. Like maybe question to draw eyes. You see E. You're drawing ear. Like the difference there is. Instead of eyes, you're drawing ear. That much difference. These two questions. Okay. I'll read the previous question. Listen, just for information, I'll read the previous question. Look, if two sides and a median bisecting one of these sides of a triangle are respectively proportional to the two sides and the corresponding median of another triangle, then the triangles are similar. This is the previous question. The current question, if two sides and a median bisecting the third side of a triangle are respectively proportional to the corresponding sides and the median of another triangle. Prove that the two triangles are similar. Clear now? Okay, the difference understood or not? That's an important thing. Okay. Okay. This one, Vaman started the vacation 1 week. Didn't finish. Okay. Where you reach in school? Over. What is over? Chapter. Similar triangle chapter is over. Okay. Okay. Okay, now look at here. So, so this question may be done. Okay, look. Here given is, listen here. Don't write now. I'll give the full note. Okay. Given is AB divided by PQ equal to AC divided by PR equal to AD divided by PM. This is given, right? Okay. Like previous question, look at here. Here now, look, AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. So one point enough to show these triangles are similar. What is that point? Already we have AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. So one point enough to show these triangles are similar. What is that? BC and Q are equal, similar. Okay, that is Ronit. If angle B not easy to show. No. That is previous question. You are still in previous question. Alina, check given AB divided by PQ equal to BC divided by PR. Then which angle? Angle A equal to angle P. Correct or no? If angle A equal to P, then we can say these triangles are similar by SIS similarity. Okay, Alina, your class is finished now. Then why you not getting this? This is a reader question only. Okay, listen. If you can show, listen, if we can show angle A equal to angle P, so we can write by SIS. Okay, draw figure now. Draw figure. What you have to prove is all right. Okay, I'll give the note. Just draw the figure only. It's a lengthy question and important question. Okay, just draw figure. Okay. Why all late? Okay. So finished. Okay, right. Given in triangle ABC and PQR, 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 AB by given in triangle ABC and PQR, AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PM. To prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. To prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. I hope everyone okay. What is given? What you have to prove? Because it's a very lengthy one. I'll show. I'll give the steps. I'll give the notes. Okay. Okay. Yes, Krishna, your class finished this one. Hello. This is reader only. Okay. This is reader. Okay. Okay. Now look at here. This is a lengthy one. Many 2-3 methods there is. I'll show one of the method. Okay. Look at here now. Hello again. Given is in triangle ABC. Don't hello. Stop all work. Close your book. In triangle ABC and PQR, AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PM. AD means median, AD by median PM. So just A equal to P, that's enough to show these triangles are similar. Okay, there is a shorter construction in this question. Extend AD to E up to here. Extend means straight. Okay. Okay, don't extend like this. Okay, I'll throw your book if I say, okay, like this. No, not like this. Okay, extend means straight. And how long? AD equal this one. That means don't extend up to here, up to here. Then writing A here, D here, E here, this equal this one. No, don't write like that. Okay, it's almost equal. Extend AD to E such that AD equal to DE. Join here. Similarly, here also. Okay. M, N. Okay, right. Write the construction. Right, the construction. Extend AD to construction. Extend AD to E such that AD equal to DE. AD equal to DE. And join EC. And join EC. Okay. Similarly, extend PM to N such that PM equal to Mn. PM equal to Mn. PM equal to Mn. And join N and join NR. And join NR. Okay. Listen all. Check. Once again, read the question. Okay. Check given. What you have to prove. What is the construction. Okay. This all check it now. Because I cannot explain again because very lengthy question. Okay. Check all. I'll give time. Okay. Okay, finish now. You read the question. What is given? What do you have to prove? And construction. Finish or not? The plan is we are going to show angle A equal to angle P. That is the plan. Bro, you agree or not? Then only I can start. Rest all. Hello, only one confirmation only so far. Rest all. Hello, Abhishek, Aditya, Aditi, Alina, Ania, Krishna. Okay. Install. Okay. And Anushka, Aniga. Okay. Asta, Denya. Farah. Okay. So finished. Okay. I'm going to start Vignesh. Clear now? Okay. So now listen here. Hey, wait. Now listen here. Don't write now. Triangle ADB and EDC. Is it congruent? Check. ADB and EDC. Is it congruent or not? Any sides equal, any angles equal? Okay, Vignesh, which side equal? One side is adjusted. AD equal to DE. Correct or not? AD equal to DE by construction. Okay. Hania, next, your suggestion. BD equal DC. Correct or not? Because median. Okay, one more. We need one more. To show congruency, we need one more point. What is that? Angle D. Angle D means what? Angle ADB equal to angle EDC. Correct or no? ADB equal to EDC. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. So these triangles are congruent by SAS congruency. Should write clearly. SAS congruency. Hence, AB equal to EC. CPC. Okay. Write that one. Right. In triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB and EDC, in triangle ADB and EDC, ADB and EDC, AD equal to DE, AD equal to DE, AD equal to DE by construction, AD equal to DE by construction. Then BD equal to DC, BD equal to DC, BD equal to DC. Okay. BD equal to DC. Bracket right. AD is a median. AD is a median. AD is a median. Okay. Then angle ADB, angle ADB equal to angle EDC. ADB equal to EDC. ADB equal to EDC. ADB equal to EDC. ADB equal to EDC. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Therefore, triangle ADB, therefore, triangle ADB congruent to triangle EDC. ADB congruent to triangle EDC. 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 SAS congruency. SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Hence, AB equal to EC. AB equal to EC. CPCT. CPCT. Okay. Similarly, PQ equal to NR. Similarly, PQ equal to NR. Similarly, PQ equal to NR. Okay. Check up to here now. Hello. Check all up to here. Then only I can start the next steps of this question. We just now we proved AB equal to EC and PQ equal to NR. Check now. Okay. I'll give 2 minutes. Just go through it. Okay. So finish. Is it okay now? Up to here, all okay? Roshan, clear or not? Roshan, are you going now? Because NEET exam postponed, right? You heard about? So when are you going now? Oh, Monday. Okay, okay. Yeah, still you're going, right? Okay, so now I hope everybody got now AB equal to EC and okay. Now look at here. Now. Look here. This is given. Okay, don't write now. AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PR. So instead of AB, I'm writing EC by PQ. We're writing NR equal to AC only, PR 2AD divided by 2 PM. You have any objection? Just writing 2AD, or we can write, listen, if you want, you can write AE by 2 by PN by 2. Okay. So EC, don't write now, NR equal to AC divided by PR equal to AE by PN. Okay. This is okay. This writing okay or not? Okay, you write now. Start AB by PQ, AB by PQ, AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PM given. AB by PQ equal to AC by PR equal to AD by PM given. Then, right, EC by NR. Next, EC by NR equal to AC by PR equal to, instead of AD, we are writing AE by 2 by PN by 2. Okay, in bracket, write reason. AB equal to EC, AB equal to EC, PQ equal to NR, then AE by 2 equal to AD. Okay, wait. AB equal to EC, PQ equal to NR, proved. Then AE by 2 equal to AD, and PN by 2 equal to PM by construction. By construction. Okay. The next line, EC by NR, EC by NR equal to AC by PR equal to AE by PN. This line. Okay. Okay, now what is this one? If it is like this, EC by, check the triangle, EC by RN equal to AC by PR equal to AE by PN. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning? Triangle S, triangle ACE similar to triangle PRN, correct or no? ACE similar to triangle PRN. Okay, right. Triangle ACE similar to triangle PRN. Reason SS similarity. All the sides are proportional. SS similarity, right? ACE similar to PRN. SS similarity. Okay, wait. Hence, angle 1 equal to angle 2, right? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Call it number 1. Reason what? In similar triangle, corresponding angles are equal. You mark it here. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Call it number 1. You write In similar triangle, corresponding angles are equal. In similar triangle, corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Similarly, look at here. When you draw like this, here also, we can prove 3 equal to 4. You mark it. Similarly, we can prove that angle 3 equal to angle 4, number 2. Similarly, right. Similarly, we can prove angle 3. You mark it 3 and 4. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Not need to prove, you just write similarly. Okay. Then write adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get, what will we get? Angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. Angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. 1 plus, okay, angle 1 plus angle 3 is what? Angle 1 plus angle 3 is what? Angle 1 plus angle 3, what is that? A. Angle A equal to angle A equal to angle P. Correct or no? Angle A equal to angle P. Right. Angle A equal to angle P. So we got the final step now. Then again, right. In triangle ABC and PQR, right? In triangle ABC and PQR. In triangle ABC and PQR, AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. In triangle AB by PQ equal to AC by PR. Given. Angle A equal to angle P, proved. Angle A equal to angle P, proved. Therefore, triangle ABC, therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. SAS similarity. SAS similarity. See, the same question we use SAS congruency and similarity also. Okay. SAS similarity. Okay. Now, take your time. Check all. Make sure this question. Okay. We are now time is 7:04. I'll wait 7:09. Okay. Everyone, check. Read the question. Check the figure and given what you have to prove and proof. Check it now because very lengthy proof. Okay. Okay, finish. I have each finish or not? Till time. Okay, okay. Okay, so now we try next question. Okay, right. This is star question. See, look, around mm, 40 minutes we took this question. Okay, exactly 40 minutes. Right now, next one. Some question like that, maybe 1 hour like that. D is a point, right? D is a point. D is a point on the side BC. D is a point on the side. D is a point on the side. Okay, D is a point on the side. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. BC of a triangle ABC. D is a point on the side. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. BAC. Okay. Prove that CA square equal to CB into CD. Okay. This is star question. Very simple. Okay. Star question. Okay. Right. D is a point. D is a point on the side. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC equal to angle BAC. ADC, this one, equal to BAC full. ADC equal to BAC. Okay. Show that CS square equal to CB into CD. Okay. Try now. Okay, you try. Okay, finish. Everybody got? Okay, doing. Okay, okay. Wait. Amisha, you got? Okay. That's me. Got? Oh, getting now. Roshan. Okay, so finish. Look at here. If not getting, listen here. Hello, listen. In triangle, listen. Very simple. In triangle ADC and triangle BAC. Okay. Angle ADC equal to angle BAC and angle C common. Correct or no? Look at the triangle. In triangle ADC and BAC. Angle ADC equal to BAC given. Angle C common. Therefore, triangle ADC similar to triangle BAC. So we can write AD divided by BA equal to DC divided by AC equal to AC divided by BC. So just take it. AC square equal to BC into DC. Right? I hope finish all right. It's very simple and very important question, 2-mark questions. Just take same in triangle ADC and BAC. Angle ADC equal to angle BAC given. Angle C is common. Therefore, triangle ADC similar to triangle BAC. Okay. Okay, finish now. Okay, so next one, right? A vertical pole, a vertical pole of length 6 meter. A vertical pole, right? A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long, 4 meter long on the ground. Once again, a vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter. A pole length is 6 meter, shadow 4 meter. At the same time, okay, at the same time, a tower casts a shadow. At the same time, a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. At the same time, a tower casts the shadow 28 meter. At the same time, the tower casts shadow 28 meter. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Okay, clear now? A pole, once again, a vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long. At the same time, a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Okay. Okay, you try now. Okay, wait. $18.66. I don't know. Let's see. Look at here. Listen. Look. Here, first a pole. Look at here. Okay. A, B, C, 6 meter. Shadow is 4 meter. Next one, tower. Our height we have to find out. P, Q, R. This is 28 meters. Okay. Roshan. Roshan, can you answer how you got it, this one? Or just guess, or what is the base you got? Hello? Roshan? You got 40, you got 42, that is correct. How we got it? Are similar, okay. Which angle equal? Similar I agreed, okay. Which similarity use? SAS, AA, RHS, SSS? Which one you use? AA, okay. AA also agreed. Which angles? Two angles should be equal now. Which angle? C equal to A. Eh? How C equal to A? How come C equal to E? Why? E. There is no E here. A, B, C, P, Q, R, right? Hello. This figure, check the figure, this one. Maybe here is DEF, right? Check this figure. Forget about that. No, forget about, check the board. Check the board. Then tell me which angle is equal. C equal to R. Why? C equal to R. What is the reason? Shadow at the same time. Shadow at the same time. How come angle equal? No, I didn't ask you, Krishna. Krishna, I didn't ask you that question. Okay. Same. Roshan, you answer. Or simply guess? Simply guess. Oh, very good guess. Okay. No, actually, not that. The angle A and angle P equal. Angle A and angle P equal. Reason is, look at here. At the same time, the question saying same time. That means angle of elevation. Right? First, angle A equal to angle P. In bracket, you write. Angle A equal to angle P in bracket, right? Elevation of the sun at the same time. Elevation of the sun at the same time. That's the reason. Because same timing, elevation will be same. No, say that. Okay, suppose now 7:36. Sorry, 7:27. Same timing, exact timing, angle of elevation of the sun is same. So elevation of the sun at the same time. Then B equal to Q 90 degree. That is okay. Therefore, similarity. AB divided by PQ equal to BC divided by QR. So 6 by H equal to 4 by 28. I finish. Okay, this is the way. Okay. Okay, finished now. So next, we'll see the next question now. Okay. Right. A triangle ABC in next question. Are you okay? Everyone okay? This one, right? Right. a triangle ABC in which 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 BD perpendicular to AC, BD perpendicular to AC, BD perpendicular to AC in triangle ABC in which BD perpendicular to AC, BD perpendicular to AC, BD perpendicular to AC, okay, and CE perpendicular to AB, CE perpendicular to AB in triangle ABC, BD perpendicular to AC, and CE perpendicular to AB, and BD and CE intersect at P. BD and CE, BD and CE, BD and CE intersect at P. Prove that BP into PD equal to EP into PC. Okay, we try now. Question again. This figure, this angle 90, this is 90. Okay, that's only. Show that BP into PD equal to PC into PD. Okay, we try. Question 1C. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, BD perpendicular to AC, CE perpendicular to AB, the intersect at P. Show that BP into PD equal to PC into PE. Okay. Tomorrow's test based on similar triangle. Okay. Check our note. Okay, can I try now? You try yourself. It's very simple. Okay, finish. No, finish or not? Anasi, finish. Crawl got. Abhishek, Aditi, Alina, finish. PC into PD. Or you have to find out BP. You have to find out BP into PD, right? BP into PD equal to EP into PC. EP into PC. Okay, look at here now. Hello, listen. BP into PB. BP here. PB where? Oh, no. Sorry, BP into PD. Okay, PD. BP into PD. PD where? Here. Sorry, this one. Okay. And EP here. PC here. Okay, that means these two triangles only. Here 90, here 90. This angle vertically opposite angles. So triangle EPB similar to triangle DPC. A similarity, right? Angle E equal to angle D 90 degree given. Angle EPD EPB equal to DPC, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, EP by DP equal to PB by DP. Okay, so this is enough now. Or equal to BE divided by DC. We don't want that. So we cross multiply BP into PD equal to EP into PC. Finish. PC. PB by PC here. Okay. Okay. So finish now, right? So who all got? Rest all guys. Abhishek, he got. Aditi, Alina, Denya, Maithali. Reba, finish. Okay. So next question, right? Next question. P and Q are points. P and Q are okay. P and Q are points on the sides. P and Q are points on the sides. P and Q are P and Q are points on the sides AB and AC respectively. P and Q are points on the sides AB and AC respectively. P and Q are points on the sides AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC. If AP equal to 3 centimeter, AP equal to 3 centimeter, PB 6 centimeter, PB 6 centimeter, AQ 5 centimeter, AQ 5 centimeter, QC 10 centimeter, QC 10 centimeter. Show that BC equal to 3 PQ. Show that BC equal to 3 PQ. Once again, P and Q are points on the sides. Once again, P and Q are points on sides AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC. If BP equal to, if AP equal to 3 centimeter, AP equal to 3 centimeter, PB 6 centimeter, AQ 5 centimeter, QC 10 centimeter. Show that BC equal to 3 PQ. Show that BC equal to 3 PQ. Okay, try now. Okay, finish. Okay, finish. We're all finished. Okay. Okay. I'll show this one. And if not getting, tell me. I'll explain here now. Okay. Okay. Look at here now. Hello. Listen to this question. Here. Here. In triangle A, B, C. P here and Q here. Okay, look. AP is 3. This one 3. PB is 6. Here 5. Here 10. Okay. Look at here now. Two methods there is. You can write AP divided by PB equal to 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Number 1. AQ divided by QC also 5 by 10 equal to 1 by 2. Number 2. Therefore, AP divided by PB equal to AQ divided by QC, which implies PQ parallel to BC. Okay. Therefore, triangle APQ similar to triangle ABC. Reason what? AA similarity. If it is parallel, this angle equal to this angle, and this is common, or C equal to Q. Then AP divided by AB equal to PQ divided by BC. Okay, AP 3, AB 9, PQ divided by BC. So finish 1 by 3. PQ 1 by 3. Okay, here 1 by 3 equal to PQ by BC. So BC equal to 3 PQ. BC equal to 3 PQ. Okay, right. Copy now. It's okay. Another method you can say it is AP by 3 by 5 and 9 by 15. Like that also you can show. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Okay. AP by AB. AP by AB directly. Then which similarity? SAS. Okay, that's no problem. Okay, that's also no problem. Okay, finish now. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, finish. Now write the diagonal. Next question. Are you okay? Okay, so next question, right? The diagonal BD of a parallelogram, the diagonal BD of a the diagonal BD of a parallelogram, the diagonal BD of a parallelogram, the diagonal BD of a parallelogram, the diagonal BD of a parallelogram ABCD, the diagonal BD of a parallelogram ABCD intersect the segment AE at the point F. Intersect the segment AE at the point F, where E is any point on the side BC. Where E is any point on the side BC. Where E is any point on the side BC. Show that DF into prove that DF into EF. Prove that DF into EF. Prove that DF into EF equal to FB into FA. Prove that DF into EF equal to FB into FA. FB into FA. Okay, try now. I'll read the question again. The diagonal BD of a parallelogram ABCD intersect the segment AE at the point F, where E is any point on the side BC. E is any point on the side BC. Prove that DF into EF equal to FB into FA. FB into FA. Okay, you draw and try yourself. Okay. Okay, you got? You all got the figure. ABC is a parallelogram. Look at here. A, B, C, D. This is E. Here is F. Okay. Then what you have show? DF into EF. This one equal to FB into FA. So try to show these triangles are similar. Okay. Okay, finish. Hello. Finish or not? Okay. What about rest all the guys? They're finished or not? Come on. Okay. So next question then. No one asking the doubt, so I'll stop it. Okay. So next question then, right? No doubt, right? No. Okay. So next question, right? In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AD and CE are altitudes. AD and CE are AD and CE are altitude. AD and CE are altitude. AD and CE are altitude. Prove that triangle ADB similar to triangle AEC. ADB similar to AEC. Okay, check now. In triangle ABC, BD and CE. BD and CE are in triangle ABC. BD and CE are altitude. Prove that triangle ADB similar to triangle AEC. ADB similar to triangle AEC. Okay, try fast. It's not very simple. Okay, finish. So everyone okay or no? Are you getting or not? Any doubt? Which similarity? It is AA similarity, right? Okay. So next question then. E is a point. Next question. E is a point on side. E is a point. E is a point. E is a point on side AD produced. E is a point. E is a point E is a point on side AD produced. On side AD produced. E is a point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. Of a parallelogram ABCD. Of a parallelogram ABCD. Of a parallelogram ABCD. And BE intersects CD at F. And BE intersects CD at F. BE intersects CD at F. BE intersects CD at F. Prove that triangle triangle ABE, prove that triangle ABE, similar to triangle CFB. Prove that triangle ABE, once again, E is a point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD, and BE intersects CD at F. BE intersects CD at F. Prove that triangle ABE. Prove that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. Okay, try now. Okay, wait. Okay, finish. The question is what? ABCD said ABCD is a parallelogram. Look, ABCD is a parallelogram. AD produced. Okay, here this is E. Okay, show here F. Show that ABE and CFB. FB. Okay, this angle equal. Why? In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Therefore, what? AA similarity. Okay, finish. Okay, so next one. Finish now. Okay, right. Okay, look at here now. Look, if A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F, is it equal? A plus C plus E divided by B plus D plus F, is it equal or not? Check, is it equal? You study this one. A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F, then it is equal to A plus C plus E. Just add the numerator divided by denominator. Look, 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 8 by 16 equal to what? 1 plus 2 plus 8 divided by 2 plus 4 plus 16. How much? 11 by 22, right? Correct or no? Okay, right, first this one. Right. If A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F, if A by B equal to if A by B equal to C by D equal to E by F equal to A plus C plus E, A plus C plus E divided by B plus D plus F. Okay, then right now. So write the question. The perimeters of two similar triangles are the perimeters of two similar triangles. The perimeters of two similar triangles. The perimeters of two similar triangle. The perimeters of two similar triangle. The perimeters of two similar triangle. The perimeters of two similar triangles. ABC and PQR. ABC and PQR. ABC and PQR are respectively 36, respectively 36 centimeter and 24 centimeter. 36 centimeter and 24 centimeter. 36 centimeter and 24 centimeter. 36 centimeter and 36 centimeter and 24 centimeter. If PQ equal to 10 centimeter, if PQ equal to 10 centimeter, PQ equal to 10 centimeter, find AB. Find AB. This is star question, okay? Find AB. Okay, try now. $15. Okay, wait. I'll show. Okay. Okay, look at here. I'll show this one. Come on. Look here. Okay, we have this one. Look, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so AB divided by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. This is equal to what? AB plus BC plus AC divided by PQ plus QR plus PR, right? Okay. As per this theorem. So here AB is okay, we have to find out PQ. Okay, AB missing. PQ is 10 equal to this one. Connect here. Perimeter how much? 36. 36 divided by 24. So what is that? AB. Therefore, AB equal to 10 into 36 divided by 24 equal to what? 15. Okay. So clear now? Deepa. Okay, this is enough today. So next class, the test is based on the similar triangle, including today's class. Okay.